So how's everybody doing? Richard back with another cooking video. Today we're making Aglio e Olio, which is just pasta with garlic and oil. And I want to give you a couple of hints because it's a very popular dish and I see people make it all the time. This here, as you can see, is just water, crushed chili for the heat, and garlic, which has been sitting there overnight. This is some pepperoncino. Say it with me, pepperoncino. And you want to put that in some apple cider vinegar overnight. Those are just a couple of tricks that'll get you going. That water is what we're going to cook the pasta in. So we're going to infuse a little heat and the garlic in our garlic and oil pasta, you know, right from Jump Street, okay? You can see here that most of the crap, when I poured it into the saucepan I'm going to use to cook the pasta, you know, stayed in this pan. I'm going to use that garlic, but I didn't want all of that crushed chili in the water. You see, all we have is some water, which is really flavorful, believe me. We have this water we're going to cook our pasta in so that that flavor infuses into the pasta, and that's the pasta water we'll use with the oil, and it really makes a difference, I promise you. So I put the water in a pot. The other is kind of just for effect so you could see. And now remember, you want to sift your pepper. You can save the big pieces for later, but roasted sifted pepper is much better. Keep that in mind. So anyway, we got a little oil, we got some parsley, and the leftover garlic. So this is going to infuse a little bit of flavor into this, not a lot. Most of the flavor is actually in the water. And then we're going to adjust it all for flavor later. For your emulsion, you basically want 2 parts water to 1 part oil. So not a big deal, just guesstimate. No need to measure. Okay, so in with the pasta. And don't be afraid to turn your heat off. You know, this oil and garlic and parsley stuff gets a little hot. Just, you know, shut it off for a second. No big deal. You don't have to have the heat all the way, even down on all the way low. Might be too hot. It was for me, so I turned it off. Now it's going again, and I'm going to go ahead and shut it off one more time as the pasta cooks. So I got my pasta water in there now, and then I'm going to go ahead and just drain the liquid right into the pot. I'm going to cook the rest of the meal off in. I think I'll do that right now. So there we go, get rid of all that crap, and we'll be ready to go here in a second. When my emulsion's ready, I added in some parsley flakes, little red chili pepper flakes. We're going to stir and plate it in a second. So when we're all said and done, this is mostly what we get. But I'm going to add, as you can see, some hot pepper and some lemon oil around the edges to really finish this dish off gourmet style. So there's the finished dish. If you like it a little more yellow, just use the lemon. If you want it red, just use the pepper. If you use both, it turns a little orangey like that. But I promise you that lemon and pepper oil really finishes off the dish beautifully. So there you go, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and hope everybody's having a wonderful time. Love you guys, and see you around.